Hello students, good morning. Here is Rita ma'am and I will teach you SST subject in 4th standard also. Everyone is well known about me and I also about you. So let's start our first lesson. What that's name is India, our nation. What is the lesson name? India, our nation. Bharat, हमारा राष्ट्र. So here is one incident explained by the writer, and there are two characters. First is the Sapna and second is the Ashwin. Sapna lives in India and Ashwin lives in Newcastle, England. He born up there. He is studying there and he continue lives in England. So he is excited to know more about Indian culture, Indian specialities and all things about related to India. And Sapna is also interesting to share these all things to Ashwin by their discussion. So let's start our next lines of this chapter. India is beautiful country with great diversity. It is situated in the south of Asia, the world's largest continent. The southern part of India is a peninsula because it is surrounded by water on three sides and by land on one side. Firstly, these lines describes the specialities of our India. India is a beautiful country because of various colors of butterflies, various things of nature, beauty and various types of mountains, various types of hills and other so many things are founded in our beautiful India country. So here first special thing about our country is that it is the part of, it is situated in southern of Asia and it is known as the world largest continent. Continent means Mahadvip. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Peninsula means प्रायद्वीप means महाद्वीप जैसे ही लेकिन उससे छोटा. Because it is surrounded by water on three sides and by land on one side, means our India is situated near about 3 parts of land covered by water and only one part is covered by plain land or soil. What is meaning of this in Hindi? कि हमारा भारत देश दक्षिण एशिया में स्थित है और इस भारत देश को प्रायद्वीप भी कहा जाता है. पेनिनसुला मीन्स प्रायद्वीप एंड दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट. ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा महाद्वीप है साउथर्न एशिया और उसी साउथर्न एशिया का एक पार्ट है उसे प्रायद्वीप कहा जाता है. दैट इज called as peninsula in English. And most wonderful thing about our country is that our country is situated in 3 parts of water and 1 part of land is covered. First para is cleared here. India, next lines. India is the 7th largest country in area and the second most populated country in the world with around 1.32 billion people. हमारा भारत देश एरिया के हिसाब से या क्षेत्रफल के हिसाब से दुनिया में 7वें नंबर पर स्थित है and it is the second largest populated country all over the world. means हमारा भारत देश लोक संख्या की तुलना में दूसरे स्थान पर है. means after China our India country stands for population on second rank or second number, and 1.32 billion peoples of population lives here. Billion means Arab. It has the largest democracy in the world. The geographical features of India include the physical and political features. As shown in your workbook, you can see the map of India and its nearer other countries also. And here are some symptoms or some colors lines that shows the India geographical features, means भौगोलिक रचनाएं, भौगोलिक घटक, and other physical and political features means शारीरिक घटक and political राजकीय घटकों का उल्लेख इस चित्र में किया गया है. Second, next part of the chapter, next heading is physical features of India. What are the physical features of India? The physical features of include size, area, boundaries, and various landforms like mountains, plains, deserts, and plateaus. So, how many things are included in these physical features? Boundaries, size, area, various landforms, plateaus, mountains, deserts, and plains also. So what are the meanings of all these words? Listen here carefully. Size means आकार, उसका आकारमान. Second, area, कितना भाग इस देश ने फिजिकल फीचर्स ने, शारीरिक घटकों ने व्याप्त किया हुआ है. नेक्स्ट, बाउंड्रीज मीन्स सरहदें, हमारे देश की सीमाएं सभी दिशाओं में कहां से कहां तक फैली हुई है. मीन्स साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड नॉर्थ, दैट आर द डायरेक्शंस. देन नेक्स्ट, वेरियस लैंडफॉर्म्स मीन्स बहुत सारी स्थलाकृति जगह हमारे भारत में स्थित है. नेक्स्ट वन, लाइक माउंटेन्स, here are very large and very high mountains in our India country, like as Sahyadri mountain, like as Himalaya mountain. Then plains, plains means maidane, and here is plains related to fertile land. Plain means fertile land on which or in which we can take agricultural products. मीन्स जहां पे हम, प्लेन मीन्स ऐसी जमीन, ऐसी मिट्टी युक्त जमीन जहां पे हम अपने खाद्य पदार्थों का उत्पादन ले सकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेन्स, एंड दैट इज द डेफिनेटली फर्टाइल लैंड. नेक्स्ट, डेजर्ट्स, हमारे भारत देश में रेगिस्तान भी मौजूद है. डेजर्ट मीन्स रेगिस्तान, एंड इट इज स्पेशली सिचुएटेड इन राजस्थान स्टेट. एंड लास्ट वन इज प्लेट्यूज. प्लेट्यूज मीन्स पहाड़ी मैदान. दिस प्लेट्यूज आर आल्सो फर्टाइल लैंड्स. These plateaus are also fertile lands in which we can take the agriculture productions related to its temperature or monsoon season. Next topic is geography. Now I will read some lines from here and you will listen carefully, and after my reading completed you will read these lines also. India measures 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,993 kilometers from east to west. Means हमारे भारत का जो क्षेत्र है वो नॉर्थ से साउथ की ओर 3,214 किलोमीटर तक बढ़ा हुआ है, और ईस्ट टू वेस्ट मीन्स पूरब से पश्चिम तक वो 2,993 किलोमीटर तक फैला हुआ है. The southern part of India is surrounded by three water bodies, namely the Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the southeast, and Arabian Sea in the southwest. Justly we learned that our India country has covered by three parts of water and one side with land. And these are three parts of water bodies which are covered our nation. Firstly is the Indian Ocean in the south, means दक्षिण दिशा में Indian Ocean, भारतीय महासागर. Then Bay of Bengal, बंगाल की खाड़ी in southern east area. Then Arabian Sea in the southwest area. The northern part of India is protected by high mountain ranges. और हमारे भारत देश का सुरक्षा कवच ऊंची ऊंची पहाड़ियों की जो लाइनें हैं या पर्वत की जो लाइनें हैं उससे उसका सुरक्षा कवच बना रहता है. Now I will stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.